Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to translate Salesforce generated translation files into your target language, say French in this case. Um, so this is written as the one example of how LLM can be used to do the translation. We are using a VS Code extension. This is a VS Code extension, and it has got this option called translate. So, assuming you got that TSV file, tab separated file, which is uh, you got out of the. Let me go here. Set translate. I get that file. This file looks like let me show. This is the input file. We got it from Salesforce. Then using our CLI, we converted then into a TSV file. So just for to make it simple, I took only 14 items. And so here, I'm going to pass this file that in output TSV file, which has got the ID, the maximum width, and source. Target is empty. So we will ask LLM to fill the target for a particular target language. So let's start that. You have select this one, then you select this file, then you can select French in this case, and it'll ask you to do any last minute changes and save it, and you say yes, you can go ahead, and it is now talking to translation service and get it translated every item um, from English to the target language French. So that's it. It took less than minute to get it done. For example, billing in the source is translated to facturation, similar to the probabilities in French probability. So in French. So here we explain how a laborious task like translating the IDs and their source to a target language can be done by using LLM. And it is now I made it available as part of VS Code. You can just by clicking few items and uploading a file, you got a translated file, which you can feed it back to Salesforce. Hope this is useful to you. Thank you.